Hello, good morning everyone. I'm here today to do unboxing of my new laptop. So what I have here is MacBook Pro 2019. This is only the basic MacBook. So I got it mainly for video editing, but I don't have an extensive video editing. So entry-level MacBook Pro is good for me. Let's unbox it. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro with True Tone technology, 1.4 GHz quad-core, inter-core i5. It has 8 GB of memory and 256 GB of storage. This MacBook Pro has two Thunderbolt 3 USB-C port. Support for high speed. It has a headphone jack, a backlit keyboard with ambient light sensor, FaceTime HD camera. Size and weight is 0.59 by 1197 by 8.36 inches. That's the length, width, and height. It weighs about 3.02 pounds, about 1.37 kilograms. And it meets Energy Star requirements. And the color is space gray. It also has a touch bar and touch ID. Okay, let's do this. Ta-da! So the laptop itself comes with the USB Thunderbolt USB-C. It's just the paper or something, and also the sticker, the white sticker. Welcome to your MacBook Pro. And it also comes with, this one is a 61 volt USB-C power adapter. Okay, let's open the laptop. So when you open, just remove this. So this one has a touch bar. In this area, this is the touch bar. And this one is the touch ID. Could also be a power button. This one is katulad lang din siya before ng mga naunang MacBook. Lahat ng physical feature, but the only difference is touch bar and the touch ID. And yung speaker, nandito na siya ngayon. Before, it seems parang nandito sa ilalim yung last time. Wait, kukunin ko yung nauna naming MacBook. Pinaka-box niya, nagkaroon ng difference. Before, may mga, ito may handle pa, and masyadong mabigat. Unlike the new one, is magaang na siya. So, ito yung nauna naming MacBook Pro 13-inch. Masyado siya makapal. Unlike yung ngayon, manipis na siya and maliit. Noon, may CD pa. And ang dami niyang port. Ngayon, dalawang Thunderbolts na lang. Like this. Dalawa na lang siya. And this area, wala na. Malaki yung difference niya, yung sa size. Oh, hold on. Hindi niya makita. So, this one, you know, mahaba siya ng 1 inch. So, this one is, sira na siya. That's why bumili kami ng bago. Sorry ha, mag-dirty eh. So, yan yung difference. And, ang bigat niya talaga. Compare dito sa bago. It's very light. It's lighter. So, matagal na to. Lumang-luma na. I think this is 2010 pa. So, yeah. Very helpful sa amin to. Maganda siya. But, talagang bumigay na siya. Lumang-luma na siya. Okay, ito naman. Isi-set up natin. So, English. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kabilis. So, as you can see, nag-light up na yung touch bar natin. It says here, United States. So, continue. Select a network. Okay. Data and privacy. This is my independent laptop, so I'm not gonna transfer anything. And here it asks for your Apple ID. So I'll use the same Apple ID. I just set up the Siri, and now it's just waiting for another setup. So this one, Touch ID, use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger or thumb on Touch ID. So it says here, lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. So, I don't know which finger is good. Let's try this. Okay. It says, oops, you click it. So just touch it. Lift and rest your finger and touch repeatedly. So it says here, Touch ID is ready. So it took me like a couple of seconds, about 15 seconds or so. Your fingerprint can be used to unlock your Mac. Okay, so let's hit continue. Says here, just choose your look, blah blah blah, light, dark, auto. So I'll probably take the light one. Then hit continue. And then it says here, true tone display. Your Mac automatically adapts to ambient lighting condition to make colors appear consistent in different environments. You can change this later in display in system references. See without true tone color. No. So just hit continue. Setting up your Mac. So I think we're almost done here. So there you go. My new MacBook Pro. Medyo nakakapinibago is yung keypad. Parang pakiramdam ko masyado siyang malutong. I don't know kung magugustuhan ko tong touch bar, pero some others says that it's very helpful daw sa kanila. So we'll see kung talaga. So sana maging matagal tong magamit ko. Okay, so let's try browsing the web. So let's go to YouTube. So medyo parang pag nagtatype ka parang ma-crunchy. Kasi bago na tong yung keypad nila. So here, meron siya lumalabas dito. Oh, we can do that. So let's try my YouTube channel, BeyPel. So ayan, as you can hear, parang malutong siya. Oh, I'm in the Google, so mali, balik. YouTube. Doon pala ako yun dito. Yun pala yun, sa pinaka-web. So, dito tayo sa YouTube. Sa loob tayo ng YouTube. So, Beypelvlogs. There! Ayan na siya. So, panoorin natin. Ito. So, kung gusto mong lakasan or maging maliwanag siya, just hit this one sa touch bar and then do this. Naalala ko noon yung mother-in-law ko, bumili siya ng laptop niya. And then may ganyan na siyang feature, which is ayoko talaga yung touch bar. But we'll see if magugustuhan ko siya sa MacBook Pro. Let's see kung maganda yung sound niya. Wow. Dito na yung speaker niya. Hello, good morning! Good morning, Las Vegas. Good morning, Nelly's Inn Hotel. So, okay. Parang tunog lata, pero it's okay na rin. Pakinggan natin tong sa iMac. See? Ang ganda ng sa iMac, di ba? Hello, good morning! Good morning, Las Vegas. Good morning, Nelly's Inn. So, mas maganda yung sound ng iMac. When you touch this area, this one, ito, nagpo-forward pala siya. Yan pala yan. Yun pala yan. Okay, let's start it again. I think I'm gonna like it. Okay, there you have it, my new MacBook Pro. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos. I'll see you next time. Bye!